Oh, this is the subdivision here. We are working on this wrap in. Okay, here we go. This one here, we call it is clean out. Right here is a clean out. And also this one is 3 inch sanitary tee. This one is long sleeve, 3 inch long sleeve, and this is 3 inch pipe. So this is it. I put it plastic there so that when you have put a concrete on it, they don't going bad. So this is it. And also this one here is 3 inch 3x2 Y, we call it. This is it. And also this one here is 3 inch long sleeve, and this one here is straight long sleeve 2 inch. This one here, kitchen island. So this is our line here, and this is a fit wrap right there inside there. It's fit wrap and 90s. This is a 2 inch, we call it 2 inch. So like this. This is a 3 inch also. This is 3 inch combo. This one here is a 3 inch combo. We call it 3 inch combo. So this is it. 2 inch sleeve right there. This is for the washer and dryer. Anyway here in US is not square foot. We call it a square feet. They do it here as square feet. That's why you have to check it. Everything after this they're gonna level this ground here, and then after they level the ground, put the what they call is they're gonna put it rebar. After rebar, we have to put the plastic on it, plastic and rebar, and then we're going to check it our plumbing so that it is in the right place. Because if our plumbing is not in the right place, it's gonna be, we had to do a jackhammer, because sometimes when they are working they are wrap on our pipe. So this is 4 inch. This one is 4 inch 4x390 4x390 commode. This one here 3x490 commode. This one here is 3 inch combo. This one is a 3 inch by 2 combo. So this is it. This one is 90. This one here is 90. This one is 90. This is our line here. This the other one is connected to the sewer line. So this is it. So this is a combo. This one is a 3 inch combo. They do like that, right there. 3 inch combo. So this is it, our sewer lines, but I'm not gonna go right there right now in here because it's kinda hot. I'm getting tired. Charot. Oh, this is a new subdivision here. We are working in here. We've been so busy in past ever since we're always busy every day. So this is it. We're doing plumbing because my husband is a plumbers. Oh, this is one here. Our backhoe who dig it. If some anyway, last time somebody asked me if they're digging is our backhoe who dig it, because he's the one who's we have to hire a professional digger for the plumber, because they have a level, even for the level. So that's why we have to hire a backhoe. But our backhoes, they go now to the other job because we have another wrap in, so they're gonna dig again. So this is it, 2 inch straight 90, 2 inch sleeve there, right there. And this is 3x4 3x490, 4x390, 4x490, and also the other one is a fit wrap. And this one also is another one, this one here, another clean out. This one here is sanitary tee. This one is 3 inch sanitary tee. Is that? Judy, this one is sanitary tea, yeah? We call it sanitary tea right there. Sanitary tea, so I almost memorized it, everything. So this is it, our plumbing here. So this is it, sanitary tea. And also this one we call it is a coupling. This one here is a coupling here. This one here is a 3" wide. There, right there. 3" wide, this one here. 3" wide. And this one is 3" by 2. 3" by 2. 3" by 2 wide, right? Oh, combo. 3" by 2 combo. So this is it, our plumbing here. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is me, Filipina in Texas. So I'm gonna finish my work here because I put the plastic on it and put the shovel also because we have to do it because when done we hiring somebody else. It's very expensive to hire somebody else in the US. So I did it because it's our only. So this is it. Thank you for watching.